Hi everyone, my name is Marjorie and welcome to Jetersblessings. In today's video, I'm doing a challenge with the Domestic Diva DIY, and February's challenge is Pinterest inspired DIYs. So here is my inspiration from Pinterest. It's this beautiful sign. So I'm taking my Kills chalk paint in white, this piece of decor that I got for $1.39 from the 90% off at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to give this 3 good coats of paint. Now, I advise everybody to go to Hobby Lobby and try to find these decor pieces. As long as there's a smooth finish on it, you get way more bang for your buck. For $1.39, these are way bigger pieces than anything that you could get at the Dollar Tree, and it comes with its own bracket on the back. And these pieces end up being very nice in the home decor. So once I've gotten my 3 coats of paint, I get my trusty puppy pads and put it down. That way I can use it when I'm using my antique wax to give this a dry brush. Now I like to just really, because the brush is so big, I like to just get the paint on the lid and use it that way because I'm not going to use very much. But I'm trying to give my edges a pretty thick layer of distressing, while I don't do as much distressing in the middle, because that's where I'm going to be drawing out my picture. Once I have everything, the words laid out, I go in with my ruler and I am drawing my straight lines for my crosses. Apologize for the head being in the way. Now I will say I did mess up. So initially I was using my Waverly wax in antique and was trying to paint the cross. I had planned on painting everything with that. I don't know what I was thinking, excuse me, but it didn't work so well. As you can see here, it wasn't so, it was kind of streaky, I mean obviously, and then my hand was just kept shaking really bad, so my lines weren't coming out as nice and neat. And then I realized I had some brown paint, so I decided to go back in with some brown paint and I used that instead, and it worked wonders. I should have started off with that. And then I also took some painter's tape so I can use to make my line straighter. There was a little bit of bleed over, but not so much. But the end result definitely turns out a lot better. So here I am just going in with my brown paint, and as you can see, it's definitely covering way better than it was with the antique wax. So here I am with a very fine small brush, and I just go over the "he is not here" in the same brown paint. And then for the words "he is risen," excuse me. Then for the words "he is risen," I use my Sharpie brush pen. So here's the finished project, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and I'll see you next time.